Welcome to a video by Abron Expert. This is a rectangular water bath and this has a digital control. Here we have the on off switch and the main current is coming from outside. Is 220 volt 50 hertz. This load indicates when this is red is there. Now this is load means the water heating is going on. Now this has two sets of heaters inside. These are two heaters on the left and right, and this one is a thermostat or digital controller. Here we have the concentric rings. You can put any size test tube, beaker and bigger beaker or the bigger one. All these can be put here. Now I try show you the working of this thermostat. Here we have the set temperature. We have the set temperature where you have to press it. When you keep it pressed, then you have to increase it. Now you can increase this. You can increase this. I can make it to 30.5. And if you want to make it fast, let us say you want to check it. Say this one, you can also increase it. Say I can bring it to 35. And if I want to change faster, I can bring it to 55 or 65. Now let me put it on 45 and then put it back. This is an inside temperature. This already set temperature means what is desired temperature, and this is 30 degrees inside temperature. So inside temperature and desired temperature, and this indicates the heater is going now starting because the difference is more. Earlier I have kept it very close to just to show you the working. I can just once again show you. I can lower this to 35 so that I can show you the working. Here it is. Now indicator will, when we will closing to 35, it will switch off. When this is a main on off switch, this is without stress, so maintenance will never put it above 100 degree. So it cannot go because the water temperature will always be boiling temperature 100. Here we have written as demineralized water or RO water should be used, or it should be used clean from inside after every 15 or 20 or 30 hours of working. Working means if you are using, if you are not using it, keep the water, clean it and keep it outside, and so that there is no silt. If the silt is there, clean it with the other system so that the working is thermal heaters are giving optimum. Now you see this is close to 35. Now this will be again switching on and switch off heater. As soon as the temperature goes down, it will start again, and this will start and stop automatically. Here also there is one indicator here. It will tell you the same working here and this. Visit the website, subscribe to the channel. We have got this is inside is a stainless steel chamber. Inside, outside is steel powder coated. Here we inside the sealed chamber, and we have got many water baths available. Which our email is abron01@gmail.com, another info@abronexports.com. Website is abronexports.com, and WhatsApp number is 99922222049. Another is 94160200018. And visit the website, subscribe to the channel. We have got the water bath with the stirrer, digital controller. All these are available with us. We have got the incubator, water bath, shakers. All these items are available with us. Please visit the website, subscribe to the channel for the regular update, and share the videos. Thank you very much.